Automatic reply missing in Outlook. This video shows you why the automatic reply tab is missing in Outlook application and available alternatives. If you are using Office 2010, 2013, 2016 and 2019, you will not see this tab. This is because Microsoft decided to have it only on Microsoft 365. So what is Microsoft 365? Well, this is a cloud-based service that requires monthly or annual payments to use all Microsoft tools and apps for a limited period of time without having to install on your PC. On the other hand, Office 2010, 2013, 2016 and 2019 are suites you can purchase upfront, install on your PC and use for life. This basically means that for you to use the automatic reply in Outlook, you need to have a Microsoft 365 subscription. However, this doesn't mean you cannot set automatic replies in Outlook, as we have alternatives. For example, you can use templates and rules to set automatic replies. To learn how to do that, watch this video. You can also set the vacation responder in Gmail instead of Outlook. The vacation responder works just like automatic replies in Outlook. Let me know if you guys want me to do a video showing you how you can set the vacation responder in Gmail and which will work in Outlook. Thanks for watching this video, and as usual, see you in the next one. Stay safe.